viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 7 history chapter 9, the making of regional cultures. Viewers, if you like the video and want to watch more such videos, you can get the link of playlist in the description box as well as in the end of the video. And please tell me where from you are watching these videos. Let's start. First question is Peer is a Persian word which means a dash guide. Answer is spiritual, which means spiritual guide. Next question is regional languages developed due to the royal patronage received from local and dash rulers. Answer is regional, local and regional rulers. Next question is various forms of classical dance and dance dramas developed in India during the dash period. Answer is medieval period. Next question is during the medieval period dash was very popular all over North India. Answer is Kathak. Kathak was very popular. Next question is regional cultures are often the product of complex processes of dash of local traditions with ideas from other parts of the subcontinent. Answer is intermixing. It is the process of intermixing of local tradition and ideas with other parts of continent. Next question is dance forms were a dash of expression of emotions, of narrating a story and of a drama. Answer is medium. Dance form is a medium of expression of emotions or expressing a story. Next question is miniatures are small sized dash generally done in watercolor on cloth or on paper. Answer is paintings. Miniatures are small sized paintings. Next question is the dash school of painting was based on natural surroundings and greenery. Answer is Kangra. The Kangra school of painting was based on natural surrounding. Next question is one of the best known and much appreciated forms of the music in Bengal was dash singing. Answer is ball. Ball singing was very popular in Bengal. Next question is balls were dash musicians who sang songs to spread the message of God. Answer is wandering. They were wandering musicians. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends and relatives, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet, and do press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever new video is published. Bye bye.